Hey, what's happening, folks? I found another way to work these logos on the football helmets when you split the parts. I think it's easier, it's cleaner. So let me show you. This is going to be a long video, so bear with me. I downloaded Texas Tech helmet from Maker World, and this is one of Tom Wright's designs. So the first thing you do is you select the helmet. You either right click over here and click split the parts, or you can come up here, the toolbar, and you split the parts up here. And you'll know it's complete when you come back and look over your objects and you have several parts underneath this helmet. First thing you do is identify which part is the shell. Well, I've already done that. And on this model, it's part 19. Now, the way you can tell is look, when I click on part 18, it highlights a part of the logo over here. Part 19 is the entire square. So what I do is I rename that to shell just so I know. Okay. And again, I've already been here. I've already looked at these numbers and I know what's what. So my 10 through 18 so are part of this logo over here. So I highlight 10 and then I go down to 18. I hold shift and I highlight that and it highlights every one of those. Then my next two are 20 and 22. So I hold down the control key, click on 20, click on 22. And then my last parts of this are 32 through 39. So I scroll down, hold the control key, click 32, and then go all the way down and click each one till I get to 39. Okay, at this point, you can right click on anywhere. You can right click over here, under objects, or you can right click on the helmet and click Submerge. All right, now what that does is removes the logo on this side intact. Okay, so now for this side over here, you just remaining items, right? So what I'll do is I'll hit the top one here, number one. I'll go down, I'll hold shift down and I'll hit 31. Then I'll go back up to the shell, hold control and click it to deselect it. I right click, I hit submerge. And now these are removed. All right. So then I'll add a plate. I'll move this helmet out of the way. And then I'll lay these down. And the best orientation that I've found is like this. You want to see how you're laying it down. So, the less support you need, the better, right? So try and get it where both ends are hitting. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? So I'll do that on both of these. Try and lay it flat. Okay. Sorry, like I said, this is gonna be a long video. Um, and at this point, you can resize them here, which is what I would do. There you go, folks. Y'all do me a favor and like, share, comment, favorite, whatever they all are. Uh, it helps me out. I appreciate it. Later.